Hello everyone, myself Anupam Kumar Nishad. I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation in B.sc Math from Dr. Ramanol Lohiya, Awadh University in 2022. After that, I was looking for a job in IT sector and I get the many interviews, but I didn't got selected. In that, I faced the many problems over there to get a crack job in IT field. Then I got to know about the Evision TechnoServe. Evision TechnoServe is a IT consulting and recruitment services where I got to know about the many information and knowledges which are about the networking, window administration, CCNA, cyber security, Linux, and knowledge get to know about the how to create a virtual machine and routing and know about the routing protocol and cyber securities. After that, when completed, then I give the interview and I crack the interview and I got selected in a SCA E-Code Solution Private Limited at a 2.5 lakh package salary and at the role of IT executive. And I want to refer this to the every candidate who are looking for change their domain in IT sector. It is the best place to crack the job in IT sector. And I would like to express my gratitude to the all Evision team and member who helped me or guided me to get this job. Thank you, Evision team.